When there is a will, there is always a way. Even when it seems all hope is lost, pursue your dreams against all odds. There will definitely be a way, if you are willing to move forward in pursuit of your dream. Refuse to be stagnant. Keep finding avenues for growth because your potential has no limits. Sometimes you just have to be different and stand out of the crowd. It doesn't mean you are crazy. It means you are extraordinary. Raise the bar on yourself and work hard to achieve your dream. Be original. Don't fake yourself, trying to live someone else's life. Don't copy what everyone else doing. Life is about being yourself. Think out the box. Push the limits so you can grow your personal territory. It takes courage to design your kind of life. If you truly want it and have a burning desire for it, you will enjoy the process of making it become your reality. Pursuing your dream begins with the conviction in yourself that you really can make it happen. If you don't believe in yourself, you won't even take a single step in that dream. Once you tell yourself this is what I want, and nothing is going to stop me, even your critics are going to get out of your way. Champion up because winning has always been in your DNA. Have a fantastic day. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share.